it's me. Hello everyone. Today I'll introduce myself. I'm Rans Ivan Gitgit and I'm 17 years old. I was born on October 8, 2007 in a small town called Oakwood, and I live with my mom, dad, and my younger brother Ayan. My family is very important to me, and we spend a lot of time together. Although my parents are busy with their jobs, they always make sure to attend my school events and support me in everything I do. I've always been interested in arts and crafts from a young age. I love drawing and painting. I remember when I was about 5 years old, I spent an entire afternoon creating a huge rainbow with crayons. My mom says she could barely get me to stop. Since then, my passion for art has only grown. I've taken several art classes at school and even joined an after-school painting club. My dream is to one day become a professional artist or designer. While I enjoy my hobbies in school, I also face challenges. One of the biggest challenges for me is balancing schoolwork, instructional, instrucurricular activities in my social life. Sometimes it feels like there aren't enough hours in the day, and I can't get really stressed, but I've learned to stay organized, and I always try to make time for my friends. They are a big part of my life, and we spend a lot of time. And that's all. Thank you. Bye bye.